Namaste students. In the concluding part of the lesson Biosphere, today you will be learning about greenhouse effect, acid rain and global warming.
What is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect is trapping of heat radiated from sun. How does it happen? When we burn the fossil fuels like coal and petrol, they release the gas like carbon dioxide and methane, and these gases trap the heat and increase the average temperature of the earth. Earth acts like a greenhouse. What is this? This is a greenhouse. What are the functions of this greenhouse, or what are the uses of this greenhouse? In this greenhouse, the heat of the sun is trapped, and this is mainly used in nurseries to grow the saplings. And this is a picture which shows clearly the greenhouse effect. This is sun, this is earth, and the sun is the source of light and heat, and the earth receives heat and light from the sun, and some amount of the heat what comes from the sun is trapped inside the atmosphere of the earth, and some amount is going back to space. So why this amount of heat is trapped inside the atmosphere? This is due to the presence of the gases or the excess gases like carbon dioxide, methane and water vapor. The presence of carbon dioxide and methane is very essential, because during night, due to the presence of these gases, the temperature of the earth doesn't become zero, or it won't freeze. But due to human activities, when the amount of carbon dioxide and other gases is more, they trap more heat which comes from the sun. So this is how the greenhouse effect or the presence of these gases lead to global warming. Ozone depletion. What is this ozone layer? Ozone layer is a thin layer of gas present in stratosphere of the atmosphere, and this ozone layer protects the earth from UV rays, that is ultraviolet rays. What are the causes of ozone depletion? The causes are CFC, that is the chemical chlorofluorocarbon which is present in the refrigerator, deodorants and the chemicals emitted from the factories and automobiles. The highest depletion of ozone layer is seen in Antarctica. But in Antarctica we do not see the factories or we do not see the deodorants. But why it is highest in Antarctica? The reason is Antarctica has extreme climate. Due to this, a chemical is released, and that chemical causes depletion of ozone layer. What are the bad effects of ozone depletion? The depletion of ozone layer causes many diseases like skin diseases and cancer because of the presence of UV rays. Acid rain. Rainwater is the purest form of water. But when the rainwater passes through atmosphere which contains high amount of carbon monoxide and sulfuric acid, it becomes acidic in nature. And this type of rain is called acid rain. The bad effects of acid rain are as follows. It kills the aquatic animals. It causes damage to plants and forests, and it also causes damage to monuments like Taj Mahal. In the next slide, we can see the picture of a forest. In black triangle, Jizera mountains, and you can see that forest is not at all green, and that forest is damaged due to the acid rain. Biodiversity. Biodiversity is variety of flora and fauna in a region. The nature decides the number of animals and plants in an area. It is the duty of every human being to save the rare animals and plants. Earth is the only one planet which has life on it. Earth doesn't need the human beings, but human beings need the earth. So we have to save the Mother Earth because this is the only one planet which has life.